Hi, welcome to my channel. This is part 3 of my Delhi Jodhpur Kumbhalgarh vlog series. In part 1, my mom and I drove from Delhi to Jodhpur to attend my cousin's wedding. In part 2, we drove from Jodhpur to Kumbhalgarh and we checked out the fort. In part 3, which is this part, it's going to cover my stay in Kumbhalgarh and our drive from Kumbhalgarh to Delhi. So keep watching. So we are about 10-15 minutes from Kumbhalgarh Fort and we just stopped here for dinner at Sagar Ratna. There was a Sagar Ratna here. So there was a hotel here itself called Tiger Trail. So we just stopped here for the night. We got the room for about 3,000 after some negotiations, but the room is decent and we didn't feel like going further, especially after having a heavy dinner. So but there are a lot of accommodation options in Kumbhalgarh. So I'm not sure why, because I didn't know it was that popular a tourist destination. But there are a lot of rooms here. And this is our room, the decent room. We started at 7 a.m. today because we wanted to start after sunrise from Kumbhalgarh because it's an unknown city, so we were not familiar with the roads in that city, so we wanted to be safe and start driving after sunrise. Most probably we reach Delhi after sunset, but since we know that area and we will be on one of the highways, so it should not be too much of a problem. I had no idea there was anything here except in Kumbhalgarh except the fort, but they also have a very pretty lake. It's quite nice. We were just driving by it. They've got like boating and everything. It's a proper tourist point, but quite scenic actually. We're on NH 58 right now. Smooth. Just stopped. Basically, I wanted to remove my jacket, so we just thought we'd take a break, stretch our legs also a bit. And we've been on the road for about 1.5 hours now. We've not yet stopped for breakfast. So the plan is that we'll stop around maybe like 1 hour more. So right now it's just like a jacket removal break. But it's a beautiful highway. I was on this highway in 2017 and it had just opened at that time. It was like really empty and I'm quite sure it was the same highway, but it's quite beautiful. So we stopped at a place called Dwarkadhish. We're still on NH 58. It was a little early, I thought, for breakfast, but because we've just been on the road for about 2 hours, I wasn't that hungry, but mom was hungry, so we just stopped here. We just ordered. Actually, mom is ordering, and I just want to see the highway. I have a lot of nostalgia right now because I came here on my first long road trip, so 2017, on the same highway, and I was really excited when I was on this highway because it's quite beautiful. Go trying poha for a change. Stop for some अमरूद. Let's see. कैसे भैया?
100 रुपये का 1.5
किलो. 100 रुपये का 1.5 किलो. 108 है यहाँ. कितना 2100 का भर दो. driver change. So we initially filled petrol for about 3500 at Gurgaon. Then we filled about 3000 at Jodhpur, and this should hopefully be my last. So I'm getting 2100. So we are on NH58 right now. Mom is giving me a break. Basically we had 3 route options to drive from Kumbhalgarh to Gurgaon. So one was through NH48, one was through the new Mumbai Expressway, and the third one was through Haryana. So I think we crossed Sikar and Rewari. So we are finally choosing to take NH48 because it's already 1 o'clock right now, and it's soon going to be dark. So I don't want to be on Mumbai Expressway at night. We are going to take the NH48. So obviously the highway is actually under construction right now. There are a lot of diversions, but I don't really have a choice right now. And night time, I think that's the safest highway to drive on. Yeah. हाँ? सो जाऊँ. अच्छा. नहीं. अभी तो चलो नींद नहीं आ रही, इतना लेट उठे हैं आज. टाइम मिल गया अभी. पूरा अजमेर है नीचे, तो देखो पूरा सिटी सारी अजमेर या पुष्कर, कुछ अजमेर ही लग रहा है वैसे, बिकॉज काफी बसा हुआ लग रहा है. अच्छी लगी रोड.
ज्यादा गाड़ियां नहीं, ट्रक भी नहीं है. आगे तक तो सो जा थोड़ी देर तेरी.
अरे मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही तो क्यों सो मैं. I was feeling a little sleepy, so we found a coffee shop, Makeup Cafe. We're somewhere between Kishangarh and Jaipur right now. So we just stopped here. I'll just pick up a coffee. Washroom breaks plus coffee. So the traffic on NH48 is quite crazy. So ideally before Jaipur I should have taken the Mumbai Expressway, but I did not do that for my own reasons. But now that I've committed to the NH48 route, I have just crossed Jaipur about an hour ago, and the map is still asking me to go back and take the much longer route, the Mumbai Expressway, which is now much longer because the diversion is much longer. But the map says even that is going to save me time, because I guess there's going to be a lot of traffic ahead on NH48, and I guess I'm going to brace myself for it. But एक बार हमने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो अब हम गूगल मैप्स की भी नहीं सुनेंगे.
वाला बोला था ना?
नहीं, पनीर दो प्याज़ा बोला था. पनीर दो प्याज़ा, दाल तड़का एंड पतली क्रिस्पी तंदूरी रोटी. So we got back home at about 10 p.m. on that day, and there was a lot of traffic on NH48, no doubt about that. But at least the road was really busy, so even at like 8, 9, 10 at night, it did not feel unsafe at all. If I chosen the Mumbai-Delhi Expressway, I think it's a very lonely road in my experience, and it also goes through the countryside, so the chances of fog are much more on that highway. And with just women on the road, I just think safety is safety over everything else. So if I had to do the stretch again, I would still choose NH48. And the total toll that we paid on this stretch was 670 rupees, as you can see here. And I guess that's the end of my Delhi, Jodhpur, Kumbhalgarh, Delhi trip. Hope you liked it. Bye.